I've got some phthalo green. Start in the middle. I'm going to come straight down. And as we come down here, just go out a little bit here. Phthalo blue now. Purple. Phthalo blue. Let's go into some purple colour. Still the same brush. And we're going to put some purple around here. Just here. We're doing a portal. So I've just stuck a bit of tape around this saucepan lid. Somewhere around here. Methinks. I think that gives me enough room to do what I want to do. So just going to tap. I'm going to tap this white all the way round. I'm going to go down to about there on this. Voila. Okay, then let's start here. Remember, I can put more paint on if I want to. This is nice and slick and wet. I really wanted this to glide. It's looking to look beautiful. This is going to be a really nice one. Look at that. It's beautiful. So we'll just make a nice simple sky. On YouTube, please hit the like button, leave a comment. It'd be fantastic, it really helps out. Just a couple of buttons, thank you. And if anyone sends what they called on YouTube, super gifts or whatever, thank you. It's all support. I'm straight into some white. We'll just put a little moon there. Guys, press share if you're on TikTok, share. And then that yellow button that says repost, that shares the live out. If you can do that, it'd be great. Thank you so much. Right, some dark paint, some black. Black here. We'll take this green, some purple, some blue. Let's just nick it all, put it in here. Just loaded up the fan brush here. And I'm going to do some little trees. Let's just tap this. Sorry if there's any glare on this tonight, but it's just the way the lights are. But at the end, I'll show you. Just tap that out. A few little tree trunks, but just a few. Let's make it green, yellow and some blue. Bring that blue across. It's a nice green. Can you see that? It's nice. Alright, just pick out a few little things. We're going to put some little green stuff on these trees. Just a few little green bits here and there on these trees. Do you remember that green stripe that come down? We're just hopefully gonna pick up some of that bit of colour through. Just there. A little waterfall that comes just there. Going to a little bit more yellow. Yeah. Okay, we can have a little bank that goes down there. We could have it sort of coming round. And it goes around here, down here, and then we can have it sort of coming out the bottom, I think, just there. Okay, so here we go. Look at that, beautiful. Just tapping this in here now, and then we'll just, there we go. Oh yeah, it's picking up that green now. There's a little waterfall just there. Let's just bring that and make that more. Look at the colour, look. Look at the colour change. Isn't that amazing? So let's create a nice little bit of, I'm going to create some nice misty stuff down here. Just there, like that. Okay. Just going to go over this now. Look at them beautiful colours. The green and the blue together and the purple is one of my favourite colours. It really, really is. Want a lot of mist over there. Don't forget to come and follow me on YouTube. What else can I tell you? There's a link underneath my profile picture on TikTok. There's a link in the description on YouTube, or pinned comment it will be. And you can save money on your art supplies. So go and check out the links. Come follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and all the others. So yeah, but I'm gonna start with some darker green, and we're just gonna come over here. We're gonna create a nice little hill just here. This sort of walk continues. Beautiful colours there. Bring some down there and some across here. And of course, that's mixing with all that colour underneath there. Keep that sort of like that. I think that looks quite nice. The share button is down here, and then the yellow button, repost. Please do that. It really helps out. Let's go. Bring all this together. There's purple in there, black. Gonna add a little bit of green in there too, some phthalo green. Just a little tree there, a few that live here. There, we're just have him sat there like that. And maybe there's a taller one that lives there, and he comes all the way down here. There we go. Put some little leaves and stuff on him. He lived in the fan brush, and I'm just pushing him out. Yeah. Just putting a few little trunks. I've just gone into some white and whatever I had, just to make these little sort of trunks here. Guys, I'd love you to come and join Patreon with the rest of us. If you haven't already, please come and join us. Just to have you there, really. And you get to know when I'm coming live. The link's underneath my profile picture on TikTok. You can support from £1 a month. That gets you into private chat with all of us. You can message me anytime you want to, and the others in the group. Choose your tier, you get rewarded with other stuff as well. So yeah, do come and join Patreon. Trying to get a group of us together. Be great to have you on board. Just adding some little highlights on here. Go with that green paint. Coming down here. I'm gonna do what's in my mind. You ready? Flow of this. There's the certificate. We've never had one called that, so that's cool. Yeah, paint number 450. Bang on. 450. Yeah, imagine that up on you're right close to it. Imagine that just sparkling off your wall somewhere. You walk past. Oh, we've got a portal painting. Yeah, there you go. Right, good night everyone. Say good night now. I'm going to go. Don't forget to come and join us on Patreon.